We're in Sanlitun today, a vibrant hub for shopping, dining and entertainment in East Beijing. Here we'll visit the Swedish clothing brand Toteme's newly opened first flagship store in China, which was designed by the Swiss architecture firm Herzog de Meuron. The pleated white stone facade transitions into pleated white metal panels, with backlit signage nicely integrated into the folds. A clean, angular design, refined colour palette, and thoughtful material choices all echo Toteme's core aesthetic values, creating a cohesive visual dialogue throughout the collaboration. The exterior design language continues seamlessly into the interior, from the water-like glass door handle echoing shelving structures inside, to the pleated facade reimagined in fabric wrapping the interior. The patterned black timber parquet floor and black ceiling create a striking contrast with the white surroundings, adding depth and dimension. This store doesn't follow standard layout principles. Despite its compact footprint, a zigzag staircase with sculptural values has been designed to add further dimensions to the space. The design cleverly provides additional display opportunities, with space for mannequins at the base, while smaller accessories line the railings, taking the customer on a curated journey. At the top, a video installation by Swedish film director Ingmar Bergman plays across multiple surfaces, creating an immersive spatial experience. The furniture too embodies the angular and geometric theme. Toteme's core products are inherently architectural, from the square-toed kitten heels and the geometric logo reinterpreted into linear scarf patterns, to the minimal dress shapes that collapse on the hanger or fold with precision in a sculptural way on the body. What I love about this store is the cohesive theme that connects all elements, uniting the brand's core values and the various art forms of fashion, design, architecture, film and sound in a harmonious way. It rethinks the traditional layout and functions of a store, transforming it into a multi-dimensional experience that expresses the essence of the brand.